Hello and welcome to another edition of Stock Watch. So as we get into the middle of the trading week, we're hearing big bets coming out of Alphabet, or Google's parent company, and Exxon Mobil. If you recently watched the Stock Watch video on Chevron that I did earlier, we saw that Chevron beat expectations quite easily, and Exxon Mobil has done the same with soaring oil and gas prices so far for the last 3 months, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down for 2022 either. Alphabet, on the other hand, it has actually not only beaten these expected revenue and earnings per share estimates, but it's also announced a 20-to-1 stock split, which will take effect in July. So that's quite staggering for the company. Actually, 20-to-1. Usually it's 4-to-1 or 5-to-1, but 20-to-1 is quite significant there. We're looking when the market opens that Alphabet will jump over 9% in extended trading, and this will possibly give us a different angle on where it's going to go for the next few months as well. So let's just take a look at Alphabet's earnings per share. The numbers here: $30.69 versus $27.34. Quite significant jump there, and revenue came in at $75.33 billion against $72.17 billion as well. And they did report an actual 32% jump during the pandemic, so it has actually cautioned and rubbed off, let's say, these pandemic woes. Exxon Mobil has jumped 80% year on year as well, so that's quite significant, and their stock actually advanced 6% yesterday in trading, which is the most since 2019. So let's get into the stock straight away then. So Google or Alphabet, whatever platform or chart you are using at the moment, the last time we looked at them, I'll just zoom in a little bit more for clarification, we were looking at a slight descending channel that I pointed out, but then it broke the channel and prices went to the downside. Now, if we just extend this a little bit more, as I said, I'll just zoom in for a little bit better clarification. If we just zoom in a bit more now, we're just seeing prices trying to get back into this descending channel. And for me, what I'll be looking at in the next few trading sessions is if we do get a move to the upside, then, if we do break this bottom channel, then I'll be looking at the mean regression, which is a confluence of the mean of the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud as well. So that'll be quite significant. It's quite a thin cloud at the moment, so a penetration through the cloud and another move to the upside is very, very likely if we do get those prices in. Looking on the 4-hour chart, again, we are just hovering just below this channel, and it is a slight confluence of the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud as well. So, with that being said, are we going to get any more looking? I'll just remove the drawers. Are we going to get any more things to sink our teeth into in terms of divergences or signals? At the moment on the RSI, not too much in the way. We can see that we're having higher highs and lower lows at the moment. Well, there was lower lows on this particular area, but we didn't get this higher high at the moment. So we're just waiting for prices to start pushing up. Then we can see possible divergence there. But will it be bearish, and will the prices go lower? We'll have to wait and see about that. And just a quick look on Exxon Mobil as well. We'll go on the daily chart quickly, so it's a little bit easier to comprehend just the vast growth on Exxon Mobil in the last 12 months or so. So as you can see here, fresh highs on Exxon Mobil. We did have a little bit of a worrying sign for bulls because, after these big swing highs that we got here, we were looking to see that prices were starting to move to the upside, but they were going in a sideways manner, and we'll start looking to see if we're going to have another leg to the upside. That will just come into fruition at the moment, because as you can see here, since the beginning of the year, we were looking to see that prices were moving to the upside as well for another leg higher, and this confluence is just really, really buoyant at the moment. But the RSI is telling a better story in that regard, because we are looking like it could be overbought at the moment. So prices are looking to start moving lower in the near term. 4-hour chart as well, as you can see here, nothing really much to say. We're trading above the Ichimoku cloud. The bias is on the upside still. We're just looking for a slight possible retracement. And on the 4-hour chart on the RSI, I wanted just to point out that we were looking like we were going for a slight bearish divergence, because we've had this high here. We failed on the next high, and now we are looking to see if prices will move to the downside. So that will all come into fruition in the next few trading days. So keep an eye out for that, and we'll see where the stocks are going. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.